Welcome to the Electrical Deals Direct Kitchen. Today we are going to compare the time taken on a small tea round between a Zip Hydrotap and a standard 2 kilowatt kettle. The purpose of this test is to show what time can be saved by installing a Zip Hydrotap into your workplace for tea and coffee making by your workforce. In conclusion, the Zip Hydrotap took less than half the time of the kettle, 1 minute 24 seconds as opposed to the 3 minutes 3 seconds of the kettle. Based on 4 tea runs a day using a kettle, it is consuming almost 30 minutes of your employee's working day. 2.5 hours per week, that's 30 hours lost over a financial quarter. The Zip Hydrotap pays for itself and it tastes so much better too. For further info, please click on the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.